This next tune is called Night Bird and Morning Bird. It's a song about two birds. It's kind of a nursery rhyme for people with abandonment issues. If anyone here can do a bird sound, I would love to hear it. Let's give it a try. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. I can't hear. Okay, that was beautiful. When you see me making like a whistling face, that's your cue to do the bird sound. Okay, ready? Oh, 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 sang the night bird to the morning bird. Don't you go, don't you go. Oh, oh, oh. To the night bird sang the morning bird. Oh, oh, oh. Now you know, now you know. Why, oh, why sang the night bird to the morning bird? Oh, why, tell me so, tell me so. Oh, my little night bird sang the morning